Hey guys, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, Christina's in there right now, and I'm going to prank her. Just cause, quarantine, bored, and I got a little bit of her slime, and I'm going to put it in her hair. Now, she's on TikTok. Now, guys, we've been I'm talking to Cyrus Dover, and it's been awesome. And one good thing is we got to stay positive during this, and y'all can text them now and just check out Dobre.com, and don't forget to go play Dobre Dunk, Dobre Brothers Dunk. So here we go. This is hers. Now she's on TikTok. Watch. What you doing?
Mama!
You've been pranked. I gotta get it over.
Mom!
I'll get it out.
You better get this thing off me.
Better stop yelling. Y'all, it worked. Love you guys. Say bye.